Hi, welcome back to the Radial Podcast. My name's Austin. I'm joined by Devin.
Hello.
And Jeff.
I'm concerned.
Yeah, we got like an IED on your front porch today. It's shaped like a race car.
I will say the Williams engineers might take notes.
Yeah.
The only thing question about this is the front wing is going to provide some lift.
Some flex.
No, it's lift. The wing is angled in such a manner that will push the nose of the car upwards.
So, yeah, we should describe this box for the audio part.
It looks like a box, but with a rear wing and a front wing.
Yeah, Daniel dropped this off at Jeff's house today, and it is supposed to be a Formula One car. The shit has a fucking nose and a front wing and a rear wing.
Also got the number 3, and it's got tires and wheels sharpied onto the sides. It's painted. I don't know what country this would be. It's orange with a white center stripe with a blue right stripe. So I don't know what it's supposed to be. It also has a balloon attached to it.
Yeah, we got a red balloon and a note that says Happy 50th episode. Please open when everyone is present. So
which either someone's going out of their way to kill us or someone's going out of their way to kill us.
Yeah, this might be the last episode of the Radio Podcast when I get up and fucking quit right after we started. So,
or this episode will never come out because we're all dead.
Yeah, so go ahead and open this nightmare.
The livery of this box reminds me of that bad zipper livery from like the late 90s that probably no one but me remembers because it's awful.
All right.
There's a balloon
There's another
inside.
balloon inside.
Holy shit.
Fucking brilliant.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's fucking fantastic.
Superfan application. I, Daniel, formally submit a request for superfan status. In place of a check, there is a gift for each of the hosts. Daniel.
All right, I'm going to stop this before we get sued.
Yeah, please stop.
Here, I'll put my finger on that and you go through that box.
I'll get the bag out. All right.
He even like made fake letterhead.
Oh, no.
Actually, we might have to sue him for that.
Yeah.
What is this?
That looks like a bottle of piss.
What the fuck?
It's got vegan on it, so I can only assume that's for you.
Okay.
There's mixed. I assume those Old Glories are for you.
I think the Old Glory is for all of us, probably.
Sour Patch Kids. This is also for you. Organic, vegan mac and cheese.
Oh, this is actually good as shit.
Is it?
Yeah, basically it's just as terrible as like the Kraft Blue Box. It's the trash that you want sometimes.
Is there anything else in this box?
This is legitimate nice gifts.
How the
This
fuck
is
did
nice.
he do this?
There's a lot of wires in there. It's
See, there's a battery pack in there. Will you take one of the batteries out? How the fuck?
I'm honestly very impressed.
I am extremely impressed with this.
Oh, shit! We took
It's
out
got
the
one of the
battery.
batteries out and it's still going.
goes.
It's got a capacitor in it, for sure.
oh, there's more batteries.
I am...
Paul Walker's ghost is gonna sue us.
We have to keep this box forever.
The Teriyaki Boys are gonna sue us, I guess.
It's mostly fine.
Um,
Remove this from the table.
So he said there was one thing for each of us that should be obvious. And now I'm wondering, is this bottle of mystery vegan piss something
That's
that we're
for
supposed
all
to
of us,
share?
Yes.
Jeffrey, could you get up and get glasses then?
Fuck.
Also, I'm going to get up and get my phone now.
All right.
Actually, no, we should probably just keep recording for this part.
Yeah, probably for this.
Or editing minute. We could cut this exact part out while you get your phone and I get the glasses.
Editing's a lot of work.
Yeah,
Okay.
Just go get some glasses. God damn it.
Yeah.
I'm totally cool with this. I've never had the mixed berry Old Glory.
Oh, it's flavored.
Yeah, it's mixed berry.
Is it sugar full or sugar free?
No, this has sugar in it.
Damn.
But I will have some of those later when they're
Oh,
cold.
let me get that flute.
Fuck off.
Oh, that's your
man.
fancy. I went to space camp.
Falcon Heavy launch, test launch.
Test launch.
2018.
Champagne flute.
Is that going to be better served cold?
Oh, almost certainly. It says shake well before serving. So
Yeah, there's
I think that's juice.
particulate in there.
That might be like pineapple juice.
It's the strangest bottle of pineapple juice I've ever seen.
It's a bottle of... I'm just going to keep calling it piss, because it looks like piss.
I don't know what your piss looks like, but you should go to the doctor.
It looks like a sickly person's piss, I should say.
It's like a cloudy... It just looks like pineapple juice to me, so hopefully it's mostly fine.
I hope it is pineapple juice. It's...
That filling comes through the audio very well.
So yeah, this is our 50th episode. We're not quite to the 1 year mark, but I guess this is a milestone.
Oh, that's a problem.
Is it?
That might be a problem.
Does it properly smell not like pineapple
It smells
juice?
like a cleaning product.
This really does smell like a little bit like Lysol.
Shit. All right. Thank you, Daniel, for the legitimate nice things and your nice box and your Tokyo Drift magic.
How did he get that on there?
Dude, I genuinely have no fucking idea.
I am impressed in a way I did not expect that he legitimately engineered a nice audio thing into
I've
this.
talked to him before about doing stuff like that. And like, if I can recall right, like we used to do this Christmas gift thing for each other. He's done stuff like that before.
I forgot about that.
Yeah, it's a wiring thing.
That's a soundboard that's wired in there.
All right, boys, to the 50th.
Yeah. Clink,
Yeah,
clank.
clink,
Let's
clank.
drink this piss. That's very acidic.
What the fuck
It doesn't
is this?
taste nearly as bad as it smells. Yeah. Oh, wait, there's an aftertaste.
There's an
There's
aftertaste.
an aftertaste. I don't know what
Tastes
this
like
is.
Pine trees.
I'm going to text him to ask what this is so we can say on the podcast what this piss we just drank was.
Yeah, I'm done with that.
Oh, that's not good. It's very acidic.
Yeah, I took 2 drinks.
So
it
did I.
tastes like pine needles.
It does.
I took a second drink because I'm an idiot.
Yeah, no,
All
we all
3 of
did.
us did.
On the second one, I wanted to throw up.
Cap that back up. Ooh.
So yeah, stay tuned for later in the podcast.
Why would you apply to be super
for-
fan and then give that bullshit to us?
He also hand drew our logo.
Yeah, I
and,
was saying he made us some letterhead, and there's that for the video.
I gotta say that
I thought-
crayon handwriting on
He does
the
have a little
stuff.
girl.
Yeah, but that made it like more frightening. Like I open the door, here's this balloon and crayon. It says, "Hey, I got this thing for you."
Yeah, he went to. He didn't just tie balloons to this. He got them filled with helium.
Yeah,
They float.
I mean, he went out of his way to make this happen.
I feel bad.
I don't feel bad.
No,
Whatever
in-
it is,
in my stomach.
Oh yeah.
yeah. I feel like a little bit of heartburn coming on almost from it.
I think my insides are dissolving.
Okay, I'm gonna go end this
Did
video.
he just put Pine Sol in a jar?
I think we're gonna fucking die.
Did
while
you
we're
test
recording.
the nipple before you?
I did not test the nipple. No, we might have drank Pine Sol.
Fuck.